Right, today we're going to bring a beautiful long scone. If you guys can see, this is perfect for an island, a kitchen island, an entrance. It could be for high ceilings because it do give you a long string, but you could retract it, all right, if it's too long. Now, this is actually really heavy crystal. If you guys can see, beautiful style. There's air bubbles in there. And of course, there's no light bulb. This is going to require a G9 light bulb, I believe. And that's the only thing that's not included. But overall, it's very simple. All you got to do is connect it to ground, neutral, and hot. That's pretty much it. So we're going to set this up. Just make sure that you have something strong backing, but it's a little heavier. It's not even a pound, but it's getting there. So let's put it together, see how it looks. All right, we're setting up a G9 light bulb, all right? And this is very simple, but then the rest, all you got to do is thread it in. Right now it's a little loose, so you can see it. It's going to straighten out through time. All right, and that's pretty much it. We have it. It's beautiful. Now this is going to stretch out real nice and fine as soon as it takes some time, because it has this weight. So I'm going to turn it on and see how it looks. All right, we have it nice and set up. It's super long. I had to shorten it up right now, but look how beautiful. Good ambiance to any little table that you're going to have, a center table, maybe your kitchen, your entrance, your island, pretty much. But you do need high ceilings. But like I said, you could shorten up the cable and cut them, or you could tie it down on the top. It's very flush. It fit perfect. You could set this up for any kitchen, any entrance. All right, if you guys can see, this thing lights up real bright, nice and shiny. You're gonna set up your conference rooms, or maybe your kitchen, your dining area. It's beautiful light.